Hello, this is Dale, and this is my nightly video blog for Tuesday, May 10th. Well, I want to go over a very nice trade on the SPY. We talked about the measured move, and I want to show you how that ended up. We also were in the RUT, and RUT was up quite a bit today. So that $1.80 credit is down to about $1.10, so we're already up about 7% on that trade. Our calls did very well today, and we gave some back a little bit on the puts, but that's all right. Like our nice balanced portfolio. All in all, we had a nice day. Don't have any suggestions for tomorrow. We're just going to hold that. Remember, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell. Options Infinity LLC is not a registered investment advisor or a licensed broker. The information and videos found on this site are for educational purposes only. Let's take a look at the general market, take a look at the SPY. And a couple of nights ago I talked about, we had a lot of support down here, and it actually came down and touched that and exploded off there as I continue to be bullish on the market. Wouldn't be a bit surprised tomorrow if we have a little bit of a pullback, but then I think we might be even headed higher. See if we can maybe get higher highs on this market. At that point in time, I'm not sure where we might be headed. But the reason I'm thinking tomorrow might be a little bit of a turnaround is we are overextended. We're past the 261 on the Fibonacci and the +2 on the regression channel. This was an excellent trade. It's an excellent point to get out. Here was the measured move back here. It came up to the 127 to the 161, had a pullback, and then extended on up. And this was an excellent part to go out and take your profit at the 261 and the +2 on the regression channel. That's the way to play the weeklies. At this point in time, I'll be looking for a little bit of a pullback, maybe even a major move to the downside, and but then maybe a little bit more strength, as today was a real strong day. This move was about a 70% move. By the time you got in down here, the time you got out, that's a 70% move. On the weekly options, these happen all the time. It's just a matter of three things. You want to watch the regression channel when it is overbought or oversold. You want to look for a measured move. When you have that measured move, you want to get in, and you want to exit on the Fibonacci extensions when it is overextended. And that's the three steps towards making some very nice profit on the weekly options. You're not in there very long. You have to be pretty active. You don't have to watch the market all day long, but you do have to touch base with the market a couple times during the day just to see how the trade is going. Take a look at our theta trade on the RUT. You can see that the RUT had a nice day today. It continues to rise, and that rise has earned us about 7.5% on our trade so far with the bull put, as it's moving in the direction that we were hoping it would go. And then on our directionals, I don't have anything we want to follow tomorrow. We'll just take a peek at what we're in right now. There's McDonald's. McDonald's had a nice day. It continues to go right along this the ribbon with the 5, 8, and 13-day exponential moving average line, and right up the regression line as it usually does. So McDonald's will continue to hold on to the call on McDonald's. The same thing is true with Nike, as Nike had a very nice day. And the ribbon is just about ready to push up on Nike. So, Nike is in the position where it's oversold, and if it pushes up over this ribbon, we could have a nice trade continuing on Nike. Amgen gave some back today, but what I'm looking for is for it to come up and maybe bounce off and push on further on down If it did come on down and make a measured move, we would project it to head on down around here, and that would complete the move of Amgen. So right now even though it's had a couple strong days, I'm holding tight on our put on Amgen. And then Pittsburgh Plate Glass also had a strong day, but the ribbon continues strong on the downside, so we'll just hold on to that. And that's my blog for tonight. Come on back tomorrow night. Bye-bye now.